All right, real quick before removing this, I got two size 7mm screws out. I think we have a third one on this side, but I think we'll be okay without removing that one. Once you got those two, this should come down, and you have your resistor here and your blower motor here. We're gonna be replacing both of them. Okay, in order to remove the blower motor underneath my dashboard, you have this this vent tube here, and it has two screws, one here and one on this other side, and there are a size 6mm socket. After removing those, this little vent thing here comes off. Once you got that off, now we should be able to pull this tab and turn the blower motor counterclockwise so it comes down. Now that we have the blower motor out of its housing, we're gonna disconnect that wire harness. Now that we got the blower motor out of the housing, we gotta remove this wire harness. If you pull down this padding, there's this little tab that you can push down, and as you push down, you should be able to pull the wire harness out. Let's get this resistor out. Now we have two of these size 5.5mm sockets, one there and one on this side. So basically what you're doing is removing those two screws, and once you remove those two screws, this thing will just come right down, and it's basically just a remove and replace with your new part. See if I can show you the tab. So when you put it in, that tab there is going to be facing that way, and you just clockwise you turn until it hops over that thing there. It locks into place. Pretty easy. And there's my blower motor connected and my new resistor connected.